up guys, welcome back to our new video. We're going to make cereal with fruits and it's called natural cereal.
Alright guys, welcome to our channel. We're going to be trying the viral TikTok video thing, something. It's called natural cereal. So what it is, you have a whole heap of fruits with coconut water. That's pretty much it. So we have our coconut water here. Boy, when I come from Jamaica and I forgot that this is a struggle. But anyway, this is all we could find. That's the coconut water. And we have blackberries, strawberries, blueberry.
No, strawberries.
Blackberries, raspberry, blueberry, and strawberries. They usually do it with ice, but I don't like cold fruits or cold coconut water.
Well, I'm gonna put ice in mine. You want ice in yours, Zara? I'm gonna put ice in Zara's.
Anywho, so Shane pressure for do this video, so me and Zara just kinda go with the flow. Yeah,
and me know so them now gonna eat it off still, so we can see where we're going.
Now put enough, cause we don't know how this is gonna taste. Oh, them normally put pomegranate or panganut in there, but it's out of season now, so yeah. Jaja, we just have to work with what we have. So we don't have no panganut to put in there now. So anywho,
alright,
let's get into it.
You want to do the serving? Alright, let me
just shake out some of them.
Put in a little strawberry.
Are these mine?
Anyone you want to put in there, Baba?
So just
maybe
take
these.
Alright, yeah, just lift it up.
You don't want to try the blackberry?
You
want to try this?
Yeah, you have to try everything. You have to try everything in it, sorry.
Let me just do a little bit in here, see there.
You have to try everything in it. And
wait, I can do that.
That's enough?
Uh-huh. Now these.
Let me get the yeah, let me.
Oh, you know, like strawberries.
So you want ice?
I don't eat strawberries, so we're not getting strawberries.
You want ice in it?
You want ice?
Alright, so we have ice here. I'm gonna put some ice in there. How much? One, two. One more?
Alright.
That's okay.
If this coconut water ever say shake well, me dash it away. Okay, enough to shake coconut water. Oh, alright, it not says shake.
It not says shake.
Alright. Let's see.
Alright, so this great value.
Oh, you have to try the cheap brand.
Yeah. One. Wish we did that Jamaica.
Oh, coconut water.
So I'll try this one.
I think that's enough.
That's enough.
Then we mix it.
Yeah, mix it around.
Okay. What's the smell? Smell good.
Coconut smell good?
No,
the cereal more you taste it?
What's that taste?
Come on, you can taste it and then you say no one taste the cereal. Alright.
So ready?
So, taste test.
Yeah, don't forget all of the fruits in my
all of them? I don't think I can get up.
There you go.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, go on.
Shane!
Yeah, go on.
No, Anna, we're ready, go.
It tastes good? It tastes good for me?
Try it.
Yeah, it tastes good.
I'm sorry, eat some now?
How?
Yeah.
I don't know it. Me go on sample it a little more. I don't know about the coconut water. Fruits I'm alright, but the coconut water.
I like it?
I coconut water, you know. Even man, it tastes good. It tastes good, Baba. Go again.
Why you have to do your face, son?
Was that right?
You like it? But tell us if you share it out, you forgot to eat it, you know?
But you try to eat it,
extra, you eat it.
You know, try to eat it for this. You know, try to eat it.
You know, this tastes like absolute crap. Whose idea was it?
I'm tell you.
You know,
My honest opinion, the cocoa water is ready.
the coconut water tastes alright by itself.
You sure? Me taste this.
It tastes like the coconut really greater to cook.
This?
Mommy?
Yeah.
This tastes far from
Can I
coconut
get some in
water.
a
It,
cup?
This not taste
in a
like.
cup, you can't put your mouth on it.
Please, some in a cup.
For sure, taste it.
Taste it.
A little?
Yes, taste it. You're not gonna waste it. Taste it before me give more.
Alright, taste it.
Okay, Mommy.
Me taste like coconut water. It not taste good.
You want some?
It not taste good. I mean, you
You
know,
like the coconut water, yeah?
I don't like it. I know I love my fruits and everything. This, the coconut water throw it off for me. You know what I say? The,
You like it? Me and Zara like it. You want some more?
No.
it's not ready yet, but I try to finish it.
But I never have. So this is the craze. You know, so everybody frightened over.
Me not see it.
How am I supposed to get these coats?
No, sir.
What?
You like it?
No, this is alright.
What fruits, boss? You don't like it?
No, this is not. It's coconut water throw me off, man. Me not like it.
Something in there.
What off? The coconut water off.
No, I like the coconut water.
Mom, can I try these?
Yeah, go ahead and try, baby. Let me see it here. Is that an idea? Come on, coconut water down there. You know, not ready. What is them something?
No.
Babe. And the
Coconut water is fine. If you drink out the coconut water and left the rest of something.
Really? No, sir. I don't know if I'll eat out the rest of something, man.
It's so sweet.
See that? They might taste so good. Mm.
How about your chops, sir?
No ice.
Oh, that's what.
Them
Which
say
fruit
put ice
first,
in
sir?
I let ice taste better than the coconut water. It's not nothing but in tropics. But I try it with the real coconut water.
That would make a difference?
Cause this a throw me off.
And then the panganut seed. You see them not spit out. I don't know how you eat panganut. I normally just chew it and bust it and then spit out the seed. But when the people don't eat it, they don't spit out nothing themselves everything. If you throw panganut seed, I don't know. Maybe I eat panganut the wrong way. Maybe I'm not supposed to spit out the seed then.
Maybe the seed can eat.
Maybe my whole life has been a lie.
Seriously, Mommy.
See the guys? I don't know if you can see, but I like fruits though. Yeah, coconut water already.
Me like it.
No, ready.
Give me the rest of it. Put the rest of it. No,
Yeah, you know, ready.
don't want it.
No, ready.
Okay, we're done.
Me go and eat some fruit.
Ice?
What
you do?
I've done it, really?
The ice? Take it out there and put it on it. No, not spit it. Alright, anywho. Final thoughts. You go.
So, final thoughts. The coconut water for me, throw it off. I love fruits. I will eat these fruits by itself. You know, that's pretty much. See them leave the coconut water in there ice kind of melt out in there. So it did alright. Well, it's not for me. I'm sorry.
Your turn, Zara. What do you think?
How do you rate it? Do you like it? As in, you like the cereal? or whatever
I like
it called?
the cereal and the raspberries and the blackberry and this.
That's
Okay.
blueberry.
Blueberry.
So what you don't like?
What you don't like in it?
It tastes like when the ice mix up with the fruit. It's like the ice tastes bad.
So the ice
Oh,
was
so the
a
ice-
no for you.
Okay, alright.
Okay. My rating, we don't give it 5 out of 10.
For the whole
For the whole thing, like everything together, there's a, I don't know, maybe the raspberry me not like. Something more me eat, what me not like in here. But the coconut water for me, I don't like what you get from the jelly man, but I think it's decent. My opinion, it alright, it can drink like me.
No idea.
Maybe we can try one next brand coconut water and see, but me like it and it have the little jelly in it and stuff. So.
We go water down jelly.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Try it, let us know if you like it, if you want to. Maybe you can buy real coconut water, but it's alright still. Anyway, we're finished now. Catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Remember to subscribe.
Again, yes.
Man a go rise, man a go rise, say man a go rise.